Welcome to all of you. I am Prakash Shiratti, lecturer in Food Technology Department, Government Polytechnic Malvan. I would like to present information of Food Technology Department. Government Polytechnic Malvan is AICTE approved work under Directorate of Technical Education Maharashtra State and affiliated with Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education Mumbai. 6 programs are offered. First, Mechanical Engineering 60 intake, Civil Engineering 60 intake, Electrical Engineering 60 intake, Computer Engineering 60 intake, Electronics and Communication Engineering 60 intake, and Food Technology 20 intake. The Department of Food Technology is a unique course offered in Government Polytechnic Malvan in Maharashtra. The vision of the department to be center of excellence in the field of food technology to cater effective needs of food industry and society. First, we discuss what is food technology. Food technology is a specialization in food engineering group in which by application of food science, processing of raw material into the final product, that means processing of raw food into preserved food by application of the food science in which selection, pre-processing, preservation, final processing, packaging, distribution and use of safe food to the consumer. In this food technology involving number of specializations, during preparation of the product must require to maintain the quality, and these carried out by using the analytical methods, proximate analysis, detection of adulteration, then food safety management system. These are all follows and prepared the safe food to the consumers. Industries involving application of food science for the preparation of the product. This is the one of the simple example of the food processing industries. They are completely automation. During the preparation of the product must require to maintain the food safety regulation. You can see how the product is prepared in food industry. During the preparation of the product, all quality parameters are maintained properly, and with respect to the hygiene, sanitation and the safety rules, these are all follow to maintain the food safety. The various sectors are available in food processing. That means this is the simple example of the cake manufacturing process, that is the bakery and confectionery specialization. Processing of fruits and vegetable, frozen processing, thermal processing and preservation of this product, then dairy products, milk processing, then processing of the beverages in which the alcoholic beverages, cold drinks, these are the large sector. Then processing of the snack processing foods, then processing of the honey and agriculture related products, then processing of the confectionery and the confectionery related products, then processing of the ice creams. Quality of that food is evaluated during the preparation of the product by using various analytical techniques. That means proximate analysis, detection of the adulterations, then sensor relations, these are all carried out. Food Technology Department. Establishment of the Food Technology Department in Government Polytechnic Malvan 1996-97. Intake for first year 20 seats. Eligibility criteria SSC pass student. And intake for direct second year 2 seats. Eligibility criteria HSC Science in any group or HSC Technical students. Total duration of the course 3-year semester pattern for first year admitted student and 2-year for direct second admitted student. Teaching staff and faculty, regular 4 staffs available, 1 lab assistant and 1 class 4 available. Collaboration with industry, MOU with 12 industry for student industrial training, industrial visit, then industrial based project work. Result analysis, last 5 year, final year student result is 100%. In-plant training, compulsory in the 6th semester. Laboratories in food technology department. First, food analysis lab. In this lab, proximate analysis of the food constituents, detection of adulteration, then sensory evaluation of the quality of the raw material and processing product. Then second, food processing lab. In this lab, processing of the food, that means dairy processing, fruits and vegetable processing, bakery processing, confectionery processing, and processing and the packaging is carried out. Then third lab is food microbiology lab. Microbial analysis of the food is carried out. Then computer lab. In this lab, application of computer in food processing and analysis. And last one is the food engineering lab. In this lab, application of unit operation for the food processing is done. Curriculum of food technology diploma is outcome based. The first semester is common to all branch subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, English, drawing and workshop. And in second semester, communication skill and mathematics are science courses. Then principle of food preservation, human nutrition, food hygiene sanitation are the basic course in food technology. Then third semester, food chemistry, food microbiology, unit operation in food processing, food packaging technology and application of food additives. In fourth semester, fresh food technology, bakery and confectionery technology, food engineering, fermentation technology and food analysis. In fifth semester, fruits and vegetable technology, dairy technology, management, project and food safety and quality. And in sixth semester, compulsory in-plant training for the students for 16 weeks. This is the complete structure of the food technology diploma 3-year program. Curricular and extracurricular activities. The first one is the industrial visit and guest or industrial expert lecture, compulsory for each month. Food technology department is a project institute of MSBTE Mumbai for all academic activities. Then industrial based project in 5th semester, in-plant training in 6th semester, seminar, quiz competition, poster presentation, placement activities. Then sports and annual culture activities. Then different training, career opportunities for the diploma pass out student. First one is the career in food industry. After the completion of the food technology diploma, they can do job in various food processing industries. They may work as supervisor, executive, assistant manager in various departments like the production department, quality control department, research and development department, regulatory affairs department, depending upon year of experience. The second career opportunities to start self-entrepreneurship in food processing. That means start up the food industry. The various sectors are available. That means various specialization area in bakery processing, dairy processing, confectionery, fruits processing, vegetable processing, flesh processing, ready to cook, snack processing and the cereal processing. To start off with low investment, it is possible in food processing industry. Yes, government schemes are available to help start up in food processing industries. The next, third, career opportunity for higher education in food technology. After the completion of the diploma, directly admit to the direct second year BTech in food technology. The number of institutes are available for the higher educations. These are the examples. These are the government institutes. Career opportunities for the food technology students. Government job. After the completion of graduation or post-graduation, you can apply the various central government job in which central government departments, these are the various departments and the research organizations. The number of posts are available for the food technologies graduate students. After completion of food technology diploma or after completion of graduation in food technology, you can job in various food processing industries. These are the some of the examples of food industries where our alumni are working. Parle Agro Industry, Hindustan Unilever, Cremica Foods, Chakotay Foods, Britannia, Nestle, Vista Foods, Cadbury, Ferrero, Gadre Marine, General Mills, Gates, Bedekers, Star Food Processing Industry. These are the some examples of the industries where our alumni are working. Food processing industry investment is low as compared to other industries. These are the some of the examples of our alumni start up the food processing industries, in which mostly cashew processing, fruits and vegetable processing industries, then manufacturing process of the plastic processing industries, dairy products processing, then carbonated beverages, and related to the fruits and vegetable product processing. This is the information of the food technology department. If any additional information required, then contact me. My contact number 9422394241. Thank you very much.